Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how to repair the wall watch, which is this fall down from the wall, and see, as you see inside of that, it's moving around. So what we're gonna do first, so turn it the watch, and as you see guys, there's screws here. I mean, maybe it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screw, and we're gonna take it out. That screws. Here you are. Take it out. The screws. Come on. Alrighty. We put the hair, and one is gone. 2. Okay. 2 is gone. 3 and 4. That's almost 5, and this is the last one. 6. Alright guys, so here you are. It's coming up. Like, let me see. One of them is holding. Well, alrighty. Let me take it out of. Okay, it's out. Let me get this our way. And let me get all the screws. Okay. Alright, anyway, turn it. Okay. As you see, if you have a tweezer like this, which I'm gonna use it on this watch. So look, it's moving, and first you have to take it out. This one, just pull it, and then this is the one that is moving a lot. See, even though, okay, turn it back to other side. See, this is the one is yeah, it's breaks. It's, and second one, maybe you just push. This is the one, just push corner. Yeah, push it all this with all the, like right here, the corner. Push it inside. Yeah, push it inside. Then, so as you see, it's tight now. See, it's not moving, so it's tight because what I did, you just pushing the side, not this smaller one, this bigger one that you have to push side. Then after that you can push the other one too. Yeah, it's tight, as you see. Okay, this is a little moving, but because that moves, yeah, we cannot do anything because it's already. Now, just so we try to fix these losing things. Then after that watch, you're gonna start the work. Yeah, we can try actually without this battery. You will see that you put the battery here. Let me first put this. This is the one. Just there is a hole here. Just push it. Just push it. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Now everything solid. Now we can put it as battery, right? As you see, it start to work. So as these are not moving. I'm shaking. See, it's not moving anything. It's solid. It's so simple to fix it. I mean, don't worry. Just do what I show you guys. So I hope you liked this. You will like this video, and then after that you can the screw back as I took it away. Like I don't want to show that one. It's already easy to put it back. And what I try to show you guys, just fixing this. It was loose. This was loose, and what we did, just pushing inside, and that's it. Alright guys, take care, bye bye.